Okay. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I have some leftover rice, noodle. Leftover noodle. Let's see what we can do with it. I have some shrimp. The leftover shrimp. And the cauliflower. Little bit too big. Okay, maybe a little bit more. And some leftover salty pickle vegetable. There are some minced pork so that I can add some flavor in it. That's a lot. Okay. And then, oh, that's a lot. Leftover rice, noodle. Oh my goodness, that might be too much. Let's see how it turned out. So let it cook for 10-20 minutes. I will see you there. Okay, hello dear friends. 10 minutes later. No need to do anything. Turn it around and then keep cooking. Well, I didn't expect there are so many, so much noodles, but everything is softened, and that is it. Bon appetito. Noodle with leftover noodle with vegetables and shrimp.